Becoming a healthcare professional requires years of effort, education, and hands-on training. For students that are looking for a variety of different programs, as well as a variety of different degrees, from bachelor's to doctorate, Belmont University is the place to come. This building is the headquarters for our Gordon E. Inman College of Health Sciences and Nursing.
Belmont is clearly a leader in healthcare education in Middle Tennessee. We have the only PT program, the only OT program in the Nashville area. We have a nursing program that continually puts out students who pass their board exams with a 100% rate. We have social work. We have undergraduate programs in healthcare.
I think Nashville is a great place for healthcare. We have great learning centers and great healthcare providers for the community.
And one of the reasons we're so successful is the combination of experienced faculty and high-tech learning labs available right on campus. In our nursing program, for example, early on, we learn to use state-of-the-art medication administration systems. Next, we get to experience simulation mannequins. Our professors program the patients from a control room, and we practice our skills treating an array of ailments. We even have mannequins that give birth.
The mannequins here, they breathe, they all have heartbeats, they have blood pressures, they all are very real. When we go in for a simulation, we walk into the lab and we have no idea what we're about to walk in upon. Our professors are in the lab actually making the mannequins talk and telling us sometimes not what we need to hear, but helping us assess our patient and actually look for what to look for whenever we're trying to figure out what's wrong with that person.
I'm actually a sophomore and I'm already starting my clinicals. I've been in the hospital all of this semester. I have my own patients. It's been great. It's a smaller hospital in Franklin, Tennessee, and I'm actually on a total joint replacement floor. So it's a lot of patients who have had hip replacement, knee replacement, things like that, and it's been a great intro into the program. It's an easy, small hospital. There's a real community feel to it.
Living life to its fullest. That's the motto of our occupational therapy program. Our occupational therapy and social work students both enjoy the blend of classroom instruction and on-site clinical experiences that they have.
People can enter our program in really two ways. We have a master's program, and that is for occupational therapy assistants, primarily who want to become full occupational therapists. And then the other way is for a student to graduate with another degree, and usually our students are psychology or biology majors, and then they can enter in an occupational therapy doctorate program.
Part of occupational therapy is modifying the environment to meet the needs of, in this case, children with disabilities. And so we modify the activities, we modify the application of the activities and the hand grasp of the child itself. Another lab on the second floor, which is an activities of daily living apartment, where they learn to modify a kitchen environment for a client to be able to manage kitchen activities that they need to do. There's also bathroom applications where they learn to modify bathrooms so that they prevent seniors from falling. So having the lab space is just a tremendous opportunity for us to have hands-on practical application of our knowledge.
Whereas a typical occupational therapy program has 20 hours of practicums per semester, our students do upwards to 140 hours per semester. And that's in addition to the required two internships that the American Occupational Therapy Association requires. So our students are very, very savvy. And because of that, our students are very much in demand when they graduate.
Right now, I'm at Genesis Learning Academy in Nashville, Tennessee, where I'm getting a chance to be in a classroom setting with a lot of different children with a lot of different diagnoses, and just getting a chance to learn a lot about different things to just to help children try to progress in the school setting.
I'm currently a senior in the social work program, and right now I'm doing what's called a field placement. So actually I'm working 20 hours a week in the field. I'm actually working as a real live social worker. And throughout the program we've had experiences like service learning and volunteer opportunities where we got to go work with different populations, experience different settings of social work. So it was a lot of hands-on experience. I've worked in agencies, I've worked at the Legislative Plaza, I've done a lot of different things outside of the classroom.
There's no doubt that caring faculty, combined with a multitude of healthcare services in Nashville, give our students the preparation that they need in order to make a smooth transition into their professional lives.
And I think what complements to the Belmont experience is, again, this strong service mission philosophy that the students need to go out and serve their fellow man.
I can't wait. This summer I'm going to be going to Cambodia, and we're actually taking a trip with nursing students and pharmacy students. We'll be working at a nonprofit hospital over there in the capital in Phnom Penh, and it's just going to be life-changing, I think, in a lot of different ways. But I'm really excited to see what their healthcare setting is like and to have a chance to experience that as well. And going with fellow nursing students that I already get to know because we spend time studying together and in the classroom with some wonderful nursing faculty.
Sometimes people who are pursuing a degree in health sciences worry that their busy schedule won't allow them time to study abroad. Well, I'm pre-occupational therapy, and over the course of my 4 and only 4 undergraduate years here at Belmont University, I'll have the opportunity to study abroad not only once, but twice. This summer, I'm going to Africa. I'll be spending 3 weeks there and getting 6 hours of credit before leaving in the fall to study abroad in Spain. Belmont makes it so easy to study abroad. For a few weeks, for a semester, even for a year. We always say, from here to anywhere, and that is so true when it comes to study abroad.